It's never too late to be what you might have been. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. This story is about Rupali Ganguly, the one who played the role of Dr. Simran in the serial Sanjivni, and now famous as Anupama Shah in the serial Anupama. So let's know more about her in detail. Rupali was born on 5th April 1977 in Kolkata to famous director and screenwriter Anil Ganguly, who is famous for his movies like Angara, Dil Ki Bazi and many more. Rupali is a graduate in hotel management. She bagged her first acting assignment at the age of 7 in the Bollywood film Sahib in 1985. She then played a small role in her father's film Balidan. Rupali made her television debut in 2000 with the TV serial Sukanya. In 2003, Rupali earned recognition after playing the role of Dr. Simran in the TV serial Sanjivni. She is best known for playing the role of Monisha Sarabhai in the TV serial Sarabhai vs Sarabhai. Subsequently, she has worked in many serials like Babi, Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki, Parwarish, Kuch Katti Kuch Meeti. Rupali also participated in many reality shows like Bigg Boss Season 1, Fear Factor, Khatron Ke Khiladi Season 2. She has even featured in many films like Angara, Satrangi Parachute and many more. Rupali got married to Ashwin K. Verma, a businessman, on 13 Feb 2013 after dating him for few years. The couple also has a son Rudransh. It was during this time that she took a break from her TV serials. According to her, the reason is they have to work 12 to 14 hours a day. After her baby, her first priority was a family, and she wanted to spend maximum time with a baby. This is why she took a break. She is also a dog lover and has a pet dog named Radha Ganguly. In August 2018, Rupali was attacked by two men at traffic signal in Mumbai. The men broke her car's window and hurled abuses at her. The incident happened after Rupali's car mistakenly touched the bike of the two men at Bharat Nagar signal in Mumbai. If you all want to know about this incident in detail, you all can click on the link in the description box below. In 2020, she made a comeback to the television after almost 7 years with the TV serial Anupama. This serial is loved by everyone, especially the Indian mothers. As per the latest data, in terms of TRP, it is ranked second, and it has also left behind famous TV shows like The Kapil Sharma Show and Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.